Today I'm gonna talk about how to simplify the radicals multiplication. For example, square root of 5 times square root of 35. How to simplify this guy? Okay, so let's take a look. First of all, we know there is a common formula. For example, square root of a times square root of b. That should be square root of a times b. Okay, now for this guy we can easily follow the formula. 5 times 35. Okay, so we're gonna have two numbers, 5 and 35. So in order to simplify these two numbers, we're gonna factor 35. Okay, factor 35. So for 35, we can write down as 5 times 7. Okay, and we can easily get that is 5 squared times 7. Okay, then we can follow the formula we learned before, that 5 square we can move the 5 square outside, because 5 square here we can absolute value of 5 times square root of 7, and the result should be 5 times square root of 7. Okay, now I give you guys another example. For example, how to simplify square root of 2 times square root of 8. We're gonna follow the same strategy, 2 times 8, right? How to simplify this guy? Usually we can say 8 can be factored as 2 times 4, right? 2 times 4, and we can easily tell 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 4 square. That's very good, right? 4 square. Or you can factor 4 be 2 times 2. So we're gonna get how many factors of 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 2's times together. Should be a 4 is a 16. 16 gonna be a 4 square. Okay, and this guy gonna give you absolute value 4, and we can get 4. Okay, now let's try another one. Square root of 3 times 15. Okay, so here we're gonna follow the formula again, 3 times 15, right? And 15 we can factor as 3 times 5. We can easily find 3 squared times 5, right? 3 squared times 5. And then we can use the formula that is absolute value 3 times square root of 5. Absolute value always give you non-negative value, so that would be 3 times square root of 5. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys the last one, square root of 3 times square root of 7. What is this value? Now let's take a look. Follow the formula. We have 3 times 7, and we can see 3 and 7 are both prime numbers. Okay, so we couldn't affect both of them. That means what? We just multiply them together, right? Multiply these two numbers together. 3 times 7 gonna be square root of 21. Okay, that's it.